You got the boys with the toys in the making noise. Hello and welcome to Andy's Little Sci-Fi Horror Show. My name is Andy. This is my little 10-minute window to the rest of the world, and I'm at a family gathering birthday party, multi-birthday party, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3 different family members. But I'm here utilizing the fact that I'm on the farm. I am actually in Hubbardston, my brother's house, his farm. And it's not very often you get a background like this. Hey guys, we're gonna check this out. Hey guys. Those are the party animals. The party animals. This is just the perfect setting. I mean, the farm. They're pretty funny. They crack me up. Oh, the farm jokes are coming. But
long live Animal Farm!
Sunday, October 3rd on TNT. George Orwell's classic will be brought to life. From Hallmark Entertainment, creator of Merlin, The Odyssey, and Noah's Ark, featuring the magic of the Henson Creature Shop, comes the next major television event.
Victory is ours!
Animal Farm. See the world premiere Sunday, October 3rd at 8, only on TNT, the best movie studio on television.
let's see what's over here. Oh. Hey guys. Which one of you built a straw house? These aren't the same pigs, but I use the same pen that I used to film a 15-second short horror film.
Get the hell off my property!
Long ago, that didn't win anything. It had such a vibe here. I filmed here another thing for the Halloween special back over in this area over here. We had the scarecrow. What's in here? I didn't see in here.
I saw the chickens and ducks.
Oh.
And there's a chicken looking at you. I think it's you. There.
These guys will laugh at anything. You ready? Hey, horse walks into the doctor's office and Dr. Swenson says, "Hey, why the long face?" Oh my God, they stopped quacking. They didn't laugh at my joke.
They laugh. Not
That is loud. Yeah, not added in after. That was actually right there. We're talking about horror on the farms here.
Not even the most experienced travelers can appreciate Motel Hell with Ida's country cooking, Farmer Vincent's unique game rooms. So vacationers, if you're looking for that extra special spot, hurry on down. Remember, it takes all kinds of critters to make Farmer Vincent fritters. Motel Hell rated R.
Some of the best ones.
He's like, what?
Hey,
He's like, I'll eat it.
you don't need it. He won't eat it. He hates everything. It's like on cue. It's really funny. This whole area has got such a farm vibe to it. The whole area of Hubbardston. If you've ever been up to this area in Massachusetts, this is right on cue. I love it.
The egg who became a chicken.
We've got to get out of here.
The chicken
It's a time machine.
who became a leader.
This is our way out of here.
The leader
We'll either die free chickens or die trying.
who hatched a plan.
We're all going to fly over that fence.
On June 23rd, a chicken will rise.
Attack!
or they're all chicken pies.
I don't want to be a pie.
Chicken Run, rated G.
And I was actually down the street with a very famous ghost story, filmed part of The Last Exit there. Alright, so I'm gonna get you on camera doing that because people believe that that's real. It's real. I'm gonna turn around and surprise them right now, right? Oh, you cracked me up. Hello. You don't get background like this in my show very often. Hey guys.
Hi.
You were in one of my movies too. This would be me. Yeah, I'm following you. Wow, I saw a pig fight, pig wrestling match. There's a pig pile.
Life in the country. Chevy Chase ran after his dream. It caught up with him on the funny farm.
Mosquito.
And life on the farm was never so funny.
I have good news.
Chevy Chase,
We've decided to stay.
Funny Farm, rated PG. Starts Friday, June 3rd at a theater near you.
Come over here. Hi. You can share that limelight. Hi, hi. That was probably the funniest thing you're gonna see all year on the show. Snout, snout, snout! Snout, 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 snout! Oh, I'm sorry, did I offend? We just like to be pet. Right, this is where the party's at. These guys are the original party animals here. So, what's your favorite horror movie on a farm?
I actually don't know. Did you catch a mouse? No, I don't know what that is.
I don't know, but it smells.
Everything smells.
Everything does kind of smell here. This is where you're gonna be glad it's not smell-o-vision.
You guys are smelly poopy piggy, but you're cute.
There's a fish in here. Oh, he swam away. He's camera shy.
Guys, I think they lost the female ducks because it looks like they're frisky. They could be.
Like that looks like he caught us. Snapshot. The irony is that we just had pulled pork and chicken.
This is the movie that Rex Reed called the most horrifying motion picture I have ever seen. This film is positively ruthless in its attempt to drive you right out of your mind.
Sally, I hear something. Stop. Stop.
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. From New Line Cinema, rated R.
Hey guys.
Okay, this is the moment everybody's been waiting for. Come join the food. Is that you're not sure? Come on, Howard. You shy one? Okay. Bye-bye. Ain't nobody here but us chickens. It actually works. There's nobody here but chickens. It's funny. It's funny. I so want to put this in a horror movie, and I'm going to. Love it. Well, on that note, my name's Andy. This is the animal crew, the party animals. So let's get back to the party. Good night. Give me one more. Alright, never mind. Good night. This is